What up, gang? Carlton Flowers here with Color Boss Custom Auto Body Shop. And I'm coming at you with another unedited video to show you one of my favorite products. And this one just came in the mail today from Amazon. It's only 32 bucks. This is a 20-inch contour guide. Now, let me show you what this does. You see it's got all of these little slivers of plastic here. And so what I'm able to do, since I am working on this major collision job here with these doors being crunched in about, say, 2 to 4 inches in the middle. He got sideswiped on a busy boulevard here in Jefferson City, Missouri. Well, in order to make sure that I'm getting this shaping right, all I've got to do is come over here with my contour guide, and I mash this up against the door. And now I've got the correct contour for this entire section. Check that out. Most of the contour guides that you get are like 10 inches or at most 15. This is the biggest one that I have found on Amazon. 20 inches. So this one is going to get the job done. So then I come over here. I've got this right contour. I open the door. And I was able to, I've been working on this a long time, by the way, but I was able to get this. I'm getting very close to what the contour is supposed to be for this door. And then I'll be able to finish this off, get it exact, get the metal as close as I can before I start putting on the fiberglass filler and the body filler. So I did the same thing on this side over here. I took the contour of the front of that door, and then I have been doing some major work with some big boy tools down here. Got the great big crowbar here. Where is the crowbar? That's the cord. That's not the crowbar. What am I thinking? Well, the crowbar is somewhere around here. There it is. There's my pry bar. I call it a crowbar because I'm old. I'm 56 years old. That's what we used to call them. The big pry bar is what it took to pull this metal out where we were crunched in on this side. And plus, I had to hook up to the chain and the come along, hooked up to the wall, and then I was able to crank this back. Now, this came from Harbor Freight, so that's just a bonus tip there. It's not the best, but it'll do the job, okay? So then I've got my couple of toe chains hooked together with a Harbor Freight C-clip with your screw attachment. And then I come on over here where I've got another smaller C-clip onto a pry bar, and this is what I hooked onto the door to pull that out, probably about a whole inch. And then after that point, I was able to use the pry bar and then also this little wedge tool and hammer into here to move that metal out. But anyway, the highlight of this video, look at that door shutting. You would not believe how bad this was. All smashed in. It looks hideous now, but man, oh man, when I first looked at it, I was like, this is going to be near impossible to fix. And of course, no body shop in town would take it on. I decided I'm going to do it and test my artistic ability. I'm going Edward Scissorhands on this thing, and I will be shooting videos step by step to show you this whole process because there's some other tools that I will show off. But that concludes this video. There it is, the contour guide from Amazon for around 36 bucks. Link is going to be in the description. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button and let me know if you like this series of unedited videos where I'm just getting straight to it and showing you the tools that can help you get the job done. I'll have fancy videos coming back again soon with the background music and all the fancy editing. But for now, we're just going to do this tool talk and get her done and get this stuff uploaded. That's all I've got for now. This is Carlton Flowers with Color Boss Custom Auto Body Shop, where you know how we like to do it. We just shoot it.